Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Nuclear fission reactor in Oxford. Today's video will focus on the UK government backing plans to build a new prototype nuclear fission reactor in Oxford. A company called Tokamak Energy will develop the reactor near the UK Atomic Energy Authority's Fission Centre in Oxford, giving it access to authorities' facilities and expertise. Nuclear fission has been touted as the holy grail of energy production for a long time, and the idea of having a working prototype of a fission reactor being developed in Oxford is thrilling. In this video, we'll talk about nuclear fission in general, and we'll talk about this Tokamak Energy prototype reactor design. Furthermore, we'll move to the aspect of investor interest and government support, how the UK government is backing up plans, and how public-private partnership can help to facilitate the development of nuclear fission reactors in general, in generating energy. And then we'll talk about the legal issues surrounding the development and use of fission reactors. Lastly, we'll talk about the potential benefits of this new development. So, follow me closely. What is nuclear fission? For those who might not be familiar, nuclear fission is the process of combining atomic nuclei to form a heavier nucleus, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. It is the same process that powers the sun, and scientists have been trying to replicate it on Earth for decades. The challenge, however, is that you need an immense amount of heat and pressure to create a fission reactor, which has proven difficult to achieve. Scientists have been working for decades to develop nuclear fission, but so far, it has proven elusive. Enter Tokamak Energy. Tokamak, a UK company that is among the handful trying to crack the code of nuclear fission power. Their latest prototype reactor design uses magnets that can operate at extremely high temperatures, which should make the reactors smaller and more powerful, as well as faster and cheaper to build. This is a major step forward for the company, as they aim to demonstrate grid-ready fission energy by the early 2030s. The company's reactor's design achieved temperatures of 50 million degrees Celsius in 2018, and in March 2022, it broke through the 100 million Celsius fission threshold. It's interesting to see how investment interest in the sector is growing, that is, in the nuclear fusion reactor sector, nuclear energy sector generally, thanks to the growing need for cleaner energy sources to tackle global warming. With the backing of companies like Legal and General and Hans-Peter Wild, the German billionaire behind Capri-Sun Juice, Tokamak Energy is well positioned to take advantage of this trend. The UK government is also backing plans to build a new prototype nuclear fission reactor in Oxford, with the help of the UK Atomic Energy Authority. So, like I said, investor interest in fission is growing, driven by the need for cleaner energy sources. We need to find ways to make nuclear energy commercially viable and to scale up the production in a way that it is accessible for anyone, not just in labs. So I should mention that there could be some legal issues surrounding the development and use of reactors. For example, there should be safety concerns about the safe disposal of nuclear waste and the potential for the reactors to be used for military purposes, which could pose a threat to global security. These are valid concerns, and it will be important for the government and the industry to address them as the technology continues to advance. It is great to see that the UK Atomic Energy Authority is supporting Tokamak Energy in their mission. With the recent fission breakthroughs at the Lawrence Livermore National Lab in California last year, it is clear that the world is getting closer to the realization of fission energy. The potentials of fission energy are immense, as it offers the promise of abundant, clean energy with virtually no carbon emissions. Tokamak Energy innovative fission reactor design offers cheaper and faster routes to commercialization. It will be so interesting to see how the development of this new prototype reactor progresses and what impact it will have on the energy sector in the coming years. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you later.